I want to make some tacos. Boy, some flavor, I see. Can I have a 2 pounds of El Pastor? Thank you. Thank you so much. No, thank you. Thank you. You too. So if you have a store like this near you, you can walk in. If they have a deli, you can order the El Pastor. It's marinated pork, and it's a delicious taco. I usually take it, cook it a little bit, maybe put some smoke on it, and then finish it in the oven. And you don't have to do that. You can even finish it on the smoker as well, but it cooks pretty fast. And I usually get 2 pounds. I know it says 1 pound here, but it's actually 2 pounds. So that's enough for 4 people. And usually when I cook tacos, the most expensive thing is the cheese, which you can see. But the Chihuahua cheese is dynamite on a taco. And I'll usually serve this with authentic corn tortillas. You can use whatever tortillas you like. Sometimes I think the flour tortillas make it too sweet. But let's put this together. That's 20 bucks at your local Mexican grocery store. Just even having it in the car, this El Pastor, it smells delicious. All right, back at the table, let's recap the ingredients. We got the El Pastor. That's gonna go on my Big Green Egg grill. And you don't have to put it on the grill, or you can use your gas grill. You can put it in the oven or the frying pan. It doesn't matter. I like to put some extra flavor on it though. We got the Chihuahua cheese, the cilantro, and the corn tortillas. Now, if you're cooking for more people, of course you might want some more El Pastor, but you can also add some fillers like onion, tomato, and lettuce, and that really tastes good on there too. Alright, we're just gonna pop this on here like this. Let the outer part crust around and smoke up, and then we'll break it down. Alright, we're back at it. We're rolling at about almost 200. Alright, we'll let that go some more and come back out to it, see what's happening. Alright, so we got some steam coming off there. I'm probably gonna finish this in the stove, just so I can do it along with the tortillas when I need them. Alright, and just remember, you can do this whatever way you want. I just like to put a little smoke on mine. So this is going to go 375 for about a half hour. You could also finish the tortillas in that time too, in here. Every good meal comes with dishes. Make sure not to leave one. Alright, so here we have onion, cilantro, tomato, and lettuce. It's a good topping for the taco or a salad to have on hand if you're feeding a lot of people. Alright, this is how we're looking after about a half hour at 375. Now you could probably eat this. I'm going to go for a little bit more crispy. And it's hard to overcook this because it's got so much oil in it. That'll let me put the tortillas in, warm them up, get them going. And then we're ready to plate. We could at least see how Maple likes it. It's El Pastor, buddy. Do you love it? Is it the best? It's the best. Maple loves it, but we're going to crisp it up more. I'm going to toss these in like this because we have some dishes to do. Just like that, you're going to want to plate these. Doesn't matter how it falls off. Doesn't matter if the tortilla is too crisp. It's going to soften up once you get to that meat. Look at all that juice. Just in time for a taste test.